Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And right now I am going to show you how to add a shopping cart to your website. So here I am going to use a PayPal button. And then what you need to do here is you need to log into your PayPal and you can go to the button section. And then you can select add to cart as the button type. So here you'll be able to see here. So this lets customers add multiple items before the checkout. So you can enter the item name. So here the price and then the currency to customize options if needed, guys. So the PayPal will generate an HTML snippet, copy it, and you can paste it into your site's HTML. And that's it, guys. You now have a working PayPal cart on your website. And just like and subscribe for more website tips. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!